2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, bed liner, electronic stability control, power door locks, MP3 player, passenger airbag, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.